Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Roblox data safely on your device, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your Roblox data safely on your device, start by launching the Roblox application. Once the application is open, log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. In the settings menu, look for the security or account section. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication if it is available. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Next, visit the Roblox website on your preferred internet browser. Log into your account again for access to your data. Once logged in, head over to the My Profile section. From your profile, you can see your games and items. Make a list of the games and items you want to back up. To back up your in-game items, take screenshots of your inventory. You can also copy down important details, such as item names and IDs. For game creations, you can save them directly from the Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio and sign in using the same account. Locate the game you want to back up in your My Games section. Click on the game to open it in Roblox Studio. Next, go to the File menu at the top left corner. Select the Save As option to create a local copy of your game. Choose a secure location on your device to store this copy. Make sure to name your backup file clearly for easy identification. Once saved, consider creating a second backup in a different location, like an external drive. You should also back up your screenshots and notes in a safe folder. To further protect your data, use cloud storage if available on your device. Upload your game files and screenshots to a cloud service of your choice. This ensures that your data is safe even if something happens to your local storage. Lastly, periodically repeat this backup process to keep your data up to date. Following these steps will help you securely back up your Roblox data on your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.